Welcome to a journey into the world of nutrition, where your plate becomes a powerful tool for longevity and vitality. We are about to uncover essential anti-aging foods, scientifically linked to improved health and a longer, more vibrant life. These are not just trendy ingredients. They are foundational elements for a healthier future. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet offers a multitude of benefits. You can expect better skin elasticity, sharper brain function, and a significant reduction in systemic inflammation. These dietary choices also contribute to a stronger immune system, helping your body defend itself more effectively. The power of these foods lies in their ability to combat aging at a cellular level. They work by reducing chronic inflammation, protecting your cells from damaging free radicals, and supporting the optimal function of vital organs. This holistic approach to nutrition helps you not just live longer, but live better. Understanding the categories of anti-aging foods helps us appreciate their diverse benefits. Each group plays a unique and crucial role in supporting your body's natural defenses against the aging process. Let's explore these foundational categories. Antioxidants are your body's frontline defense against oxidative stress. This cellular damage is a major contributor to aging and various chronic diseases. Foods rich in these compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals. They are also vital for supporting robust brain function. By protecting brain cells from damage, antioxidants help maintain cognitive sharpness and memory as you age. Prioritizing these foods is a smart move for long-term brain health. Not all fats are created equal, and healthy fats are absolutely essential for anti-aging. They provide crucial essential fatty acids that your body cannot produce on its own. These fats are fundamental building blocks for healthy cells. These fats are particularly important for maintaining skin elasticity and a youthful glow. They also play a critical role in supporting heart health and ensuring optimal brain function. Incorporating healthy fats is key for both internal and external well-being. Chronic inflammation is a silent accelerator of aging and a root cause of many age-related diseases. Foods with potent anti-inflammatory properties are therefore incredibly valuable. They help calm the body's inflammatory responses. These inflammation fighters are crucial for overall health and longevity. By reducing inflammation, they support every system in your body, from your joints to your cardiovascular system. Making them a dietary staple can significantly impact your health span. A healthy body efficiently removes toxins, and certain foods actively support these detoxification processes. They help your liver and other organs perform their cleansing functions more effectively. This internal cleansing is vital for cellular health. These foods also promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is the community of beneficial bacteria in your intestines. A balanced gut is strongly linked to a robust immune system and even improved mood. Nurturing your gut is a cornerstone of anti-aging. Vitamins and minerals are the micronutrients that power countless bodily functions. Foods rich in these essential compounds provide the necessary fuel for optimal health. They are fundamental for cellular repair and regeneration. These boosters are particularly important for supporting vibrant skin health and sharp eye health. They contribute to overall well-being, ensuring your body has all the tools it needs to thrive. A diet rich in diverse vitamins and minerals is non-negotiable for longevity. Now, let's dive into the specific foods that embody these anti-aging principles. Each of these 15 items offers unique benefits, contributing to your health and vitality in distinct ways. Make them staples in your kitchen. Blueberries are true antioxidant powerhouses, packed with anthocyanins. These compounds give them their vibrant color and exceptional ability to combat oxidative stress. They are particularly renowned for their brain protective qualities. Regular consumption of blueberries helps protect brain cells from damage and supports cognitive function. They contribute to improved memory and overall brain health as you age. Make these tiny berries a regular part of your diet. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for your skin. These fats help maintain skin elasticity and hydration, contributing to a more youthful appearance. They are also rich in vitamins E and C. Beyond skin benefits, avocados support heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels. Their creamy texture and nutrient density make them a versatile and delicious addition to many meals. Enjoy them regularly for their comprehensive benefits. Spinach and other leafy greens like kale and collards are nutritional powerhouses. They are exceptionally high in vitamins A, C, and K, along with folate. These nutrients are vital for overall health and anti-aging. They are excellent for promoting healthy skin, strong bones, and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Their high fiber content also aids in healthy digestion. Incorporate a variety of leafy greens into your daily meals. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, helping to reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body. They are crucial for heart health. Omega-3s also play a significant role in keeping your skin supple and hydrated, contributing to a youthful complexion. Regular consumption supports brain function and reduces the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Aim for at least 2 servings per week. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, are packed with vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. These nutrients are vital for cellular repair. Their unique nutritional profile contributes significantly to longevity and overall well-being. Walnuts are particularly noted for their omega-3 content, while almonds offer a good source of magnesium. A handful a day can make a difference. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant responsible for their red color. Lycopene is particularly effective at protecting the skin from sun damage. It acts as an internal sunscreen, though it doesn't replace topical protection. This compound also supports heart health by helping to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cooking tomatoes, such as in sauces, can actually increase the bioavailability of lycopene. Enjoy them cooked or raw for their benefits. Turmeric is a vibrant spice renowned for its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, making turmeric a powerful ally against chronic inflammation. It has been extensively studied for its health benefits. This golden spice also shows promise in improving brain health and may even contribute to extending lifespan. Its antioxidant properties further protect cells from damage. Incorporate turmeric into your cooking for its profound effects. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols and catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. These powerful antioxidants are known for their ability to slow down the aging process. They protect cells from damage and support cellular health. Beyond its anti-aging properties, green tea can also promote fat loss and improve metabolic health. Its gentle caffeine content provides a sustained energy boost without the jitters. Make green tea a regular part of your daily routine. In moderation, dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content offers surprising anti-aging benefits. It is rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds can improve blood flow throughout the body. Improved blood flow benefits brain function and can even enhance skin hydration. Choose high-quality dark chocolate with minimal added sugar for the most health benefits. Enjoy a small piece as a healthy treat. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable packed with sulforaphane, a compound known for its detoxifying properties. Sulforaphane helps the body eliminate harmful toxins and carcinogens. It supports the liver's natural cleansing processes. This powerful compound also plays a role in fighting age-related diseases and promoting cellular health. Broccoli is also rich in vitamins C and K and fiber. Include broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables regularly in your diet. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for healthy vision and vibrant skin. They contribute to a glowing complexion and protect against sun damage. They are also rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, supporting immune function and gut health. Their natural sweetness and versatility make them an enjoyable and nutritious addition to any meal. Choose them over white potatoes for a nutrient boost. Pomegranates are bursting with unique plant compounds, including punicalagins and ellagic acid. These are potent antioxidants with significant anti-aging properties. They help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Their vibrant red arils are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber. Pomegranates have been linked to heart health and may help reduce blood pressure. Enjoy the arils or fresh pomegranate juice for their benefits. Garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerful medicinal food. It is well known for its ability to boost immune function, helping your body fight off infections. Its compounds have strong antimicrobial properties. Garlic can also help reduce blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Furthermore, it aids in detoxifying the liver, promoting overall cleansing and well-being. Incorporate fresh garlic into your cooking whenever possible. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits. It is a heart-healthy fat, rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These compounds reduce inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties and healthy fats support robust brain function and protect against cognitive decline. Choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil for cooking and dressing salads. It's a delicious way to boost your health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut are teeming with beneficial probiotics. These live microorganisms are crucial for supporting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut is fundamental for overall health. A thriving gut microbiome is strongly linked to improved immune function and even better mood regulation. These factors are all vital for longevity and a high quality of life. Regularly include a variety of fermented foods in your diet. To help you integrate these foods into your lifestyle, let's group them by their primary anti-aging benefits. This makes it easier to focus on specific health goals. For a radiant complexion and youthful skin, prioritize avocados, tomatoes, fatty fish, and dark chocolate. These foods provide essential fats, antioxidants, and compounds that protect and nourish your skin from within. They help maintain elasticity and hydration. To keep your mind sharp and focused, incorporate blueberries, walnuts, green tea, and olive oil. These foods are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and compounds that protect brain cells and support cognitive function. They are fuel for your brain. For overall health and extended vitality, focus on garlic, turmeric, broccoli, and fermented foods. These items offer powerful anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and detoxifying properties. They lay the groundwork for a long and healthy life. To support your body's natural cleansing processes and maintain a healthy gut, include leafy greens, sweet potatoes, and kefir. These foods provide fiber, vitamins, and probiotics essential for efficient digestion and detoxification. They keep your internal systems running smoothly. By consciously choosing these essential anti-aging foods, you are investing in your future self. You are not just adding years to your life, but life to your years. Make these powerful ingredients a cornerstone of your daily diet and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you.